Hi, I'm Fatih.
And I am Janet. A warm welcome from Halfeti.
Halfeti, yes.
Let me take a look where Fatih is. You just bought some pistachio nuts, 1 kilo. And I guess he is still eating them in the car. He loves them. He loves them. He's like a chipmunk. Let's see. Chipmunk. Chipmunk seni. Chipmunk. Sincap seni, sincap.
Yedin bu.
Biliyorum. We just bought our boat tickets and we're going on board in a few seconds. Boat tickets were as cheap as 200 liras, which is €1.80 for 1 hour. We are on board. It's not crowded at all. And our boat trip will start in a few minutes. We are going to see the Roman castle and the minaret of the sunken mosque and some other things. So watch this video until the end, so you will see the most out of Halfeti. We are leaving Halfeti behind us.
Bye bye Halfeti. Bye. On the side of the river, there are beds everywhere. In the summer it's getting very hot and people are sleeping outside, just beside the river, in the coldness. This is so interesting. Beds outside. Everywhere. Golden castle. You can still see some stairs over here. Now we are entering the Sunken city. Wow. Janet, do you like?
Yes, I like it. I like it very much over here. Yes. Can you see the minaret of the mosque? Only the minaret is visible in the water and the mosque is complete underwater.